Hi, I'm Will White, Solar Application Specialist at FLUKE, here with the 283 FC multimeter. We're going to talk about the self-check feature. Self-check is designed to ensure that the meter is functioning properly. It's going to check the continuity of the test leads, the AC and DC voltage measurement engines. It'll check battery status and when it was last calibrated and whether it needs to be recalibrated. So when we're doing the test, we're going to turn the dial to the self-check setting. We're going to take the two test leads and we'll short the test leads out. So we'll connect the two test leads together. Then we'll press the OK, which is the hold button, and then it's going to run the self-check. It will tell us whether each test passes or fails. And if it does pass, we're ready to use the meter. If anyone should fail, we'll need to do further investigation as to why that test failed. Now, this is not to replace live-dead live testing if you're testing circuits that should be de-energized, but it will ensure that the meter is functioning properly. For more information on the 283 FC, check out fluke.com.